Hello friends, in this video tutorial I am going to show you the most awaited video tutorial, that is how to install Clockwork mode in your any MTK Android mobile. So if you want to go into the recovery, you have to first press this menu button and this volume up button and then the power button, and as the logo comes, simply release the power button, but keep press these two buttons. And now I am in the recovery screen, and you can see it is just a stock recovery. So now I will show you how you can install the Clockwork mode recovery, but I will suggest you to perform a factory reset. To know how you can do a factory reset, simply just go into my channel, that is youtube.com/brieftool, and in my channel just search format Carbon, or you can simply type format and you will get these results for your other mobiles. And you can see here I had told you how to reset your Carbon 825. So I am going to reset my mobile, so just wait for that. To use the PC method, first you need to install ADB drivers, which I will link in the description, and second you have to go into the settings, system settings, and go into the developers option, and you have to check mark the USB debugging mode and click OK. Now you can see USB debugging is connected, and make sure you have enough battery, more than 60% battery, before moving to the process. Okay, now let's switch to the computer. Okay guys, my phone is connected and in debugging mode. Also my battery percentage is very high, and I have already resetted my mobile, that is formatted to factory reset, and none of logs are there. Now after downloading it, just extract it. Well, you can see these are the files are extracted, and right click on this MTK Droid tools and run as administrator. Wait for some time, let it recognize. Well, it is saying that Carbon 825 system is found via the root button is possible to get root cell access. Since it is not green and it is yellow, you have to press this root button first. If it is green, you can go to the next step, that is this root backup recovery. So first I will click on this root button. To try to receive root cell through already stabilized SU, because I have already rooted my phone and SU, that is super user, is already installed, so I will press yes, and I am looking my mobile and it is saying that the root access is granted, and you can see root cell is activated. Now I can go into the root backup recovery option, and now click on to use boot from phone, and wait for some time. Do not touch your mobile. and do not let the cable disconnect. And now click yes. You can see you have to simply press the no, and after that you have to press yes. And now you have to press yes. Now my phone is rebooting into the recovery. And hope this time it works. Yes, I have got the clockwork mode now. Now in next step we will install the KitKat or custom ROM. So please wait for next video.